Ambassadors of peace, stand and be counted, for it's later than you think. The battle is heartache. Come on! Story isn't our story anymore. People of America, know who you are. People of Asia, know who you are. European people, know who you are. People of Russia, know who you are. People from Africa, know who you are. North America, South America, know who you are. Oh, no, know who you are. People of the world, hey, know who you are. Martin Luther King was a very great man, whose words in these days need we understand. Said not to judge another by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Walls of segregation have now been brought down, so why in the tears of history